In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Affirm to Google Play. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pay in stores on your Android device using an Affirm virtual card through Google Pay smoothly and confidently. First, a quick overview. Affirm offers a virtual card you can use for in-store purchases. After you've generated that card in the Affirm app, the key is to add it to Google Pay before you ever get to the checkout counter. Think of Google Pay as your secure digital wallet and the virtual card as one of the payment options you'll select when it's time to tap and pay. Before you head out, make sure two things are set up. Add your Affirm virtual card to Google Pay and turn on NFC on your phone. NFC is the contactless technology that lets your phone talk to the payment terminal. On most Android devices, you can open settings and search for NFC, then switch it on. If NFC is off, the tap won't work, so it's worth double checking now. When you're ready to pay in a store, look for the Google Pay symbol at the checkout. This tells you the terminal supports contactless payments. Open Google Pay on your phone and swipe through your saved payment methods until you see your Affirm virtual card. Select it so it's the active card for this purchase. Now hold the back of your device near the card reader. Keep it steady for a moment so the phone and terminal can connect. You may feel a vibration or hear a beep as it registers. If the terminal asks what type of card you're using, choose credit even though it's a virtual card. That selection helps the transaction route correctly. Once the payment goes through, you'll see a blue check mark on your screen confirming success. You can view the transaction details right in Google Pay and keep your store receipt as usual. If a tap doesn't register the first time, make sure your phone is unlocked, NFC is still on, your Affirm card is selected, and try again by bringing the top back of your phone a bit closer to the reader. A quick but important note: you can't use the Affirm virtual card at merchants that sell goods or services that conflict with Affirm's terms of service, such as firearms and alcohol. Also, contactless payments depend on the store's terminal supporting Google Pay, so look for the symbol to avoid surprises. That's it. Add your virtual card to Google Pay, enable NFC, select the card at checkout, tap to pay, choose credit when prompted, and watch for the blue checkmark. You're all set to use Affirm in stores with your Android device.